Hey everyone, of course, welcome to the next edition of Forum Bites. Now, firstly, thank you very much for your support. As of today, we've just passed 615 subscribers, far more than I ever thought possible. So thank you very much for your support. But today's video is going to be about answering another one of your questions around the practice of using the car park in your forum experience, what it is, and how you can use it to hold your other forum members accountable. The car park process is where either the moderator or, of course, the person within the forum that the moderator delegates this task to, sometimes called the car park monitor. And what happens is those individuals keep a list of items that are critical items that each forum member is facing that may be a future presentation or may need to come back to later to discuss in further detail. So in other words, it doesn't slow down the meeting at a particular presentation. For example, someone may be doing a roundup or an update, and they may bring up something within that update that is critical to their business or their family, and the car park monitor may say, I'll put that down into the car park and we can come back to that later, perhaps as a presentation at that forum or perhaps at a future presentation. Or someone may actually do a presentation themselves, and someone within the group may bring up a major challenge because of the presentation that's done, because of a story that they've spoken about. Once again, that major challenge can go into the car park to come back to later. Or of course, obviously the car park monitor may also want to just keep track of what each individual is saying is their critical challenge. Some people get their forum together and get them to write down one critical challenge that they're facing in their family, their business, their personal life, and their community. They write down those, and that goes onto the car park. So in other words, if they're struggling for presentations, they have a list of major items that everyone is facing, so as a group they can choose from them. But the car park is far more than just a list of presentations. Moderators can actually use the car park to be able to hold their forum members accountable. For example, if you have a member who continually talks about the same problem each month because it's reappearing on the car park, the individual can be confronted and say that you are having the same challenges over and over again. Do you want to do a presentation? So in other words, this challenge can be fixed and removed from the car park. It can also be used to be able to make people face things they may not want to actually present upon. You can actually put a topic down onto the car park based on an update or a roundup that one of the members is giving, and sometimes they don't even know that it's a critical item. But when you hear the same thing over and over again, because it's been written down into the car park, it makes it easy for you to be able to make sure they talk about the 5%. Because sometimes a lot of people find it difficult to find the 5%. The car park is a way that a great car park monitor can help people find that 5% presentation or the major challenges they're facing. Now, putting something onto the car park doesn't necessarily mean someone must make a presentation on it, but it just makes it easy for everyone to keep track, especially the moderator, where everyone is actually at. The next part, of course, is the car park can be used as a gauge of success through the year. The one thing I used to do with a car park was make sure I kept a list of items that people bring up. And then naturally when they make a presentation on that major issue in their life and they, let's say, fix that issue or move on or find a remedy for that issue, I can cross it off the car park. And by the end of the year, I can talk to the forum and say, we had 46 things on the car park for the last 12 months. And because of our forum experience, because we've got together, we have crossed off half of those and hopefully solved them. It's an accountability not only for the individuals within the forum, but for the forum return, and also to make sure that the moderator is actually doing their job successfully. Now, as always, if anyone's got any questions whatsoever, please leave them in the comments section, including any other questions you may have that you want some videos about. If you haven't subscribed already, or of course you know of anyone who would actually benefit from these videos, please forward this on or hit that bald head right now. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode.